Solution profiles offer flexible and powerful options to deliver the right locations to the right people in your organization. Using the power of metadata, you can deliver locations dynamically to end users. And in this example, we will look at how to build a central register to deliver project sites using SharePoint and metadata. The central register relies on a custom list within your SharePoint environment. You can create this list in a location that is centrally accessible. The benefit of creating your own custom list is it allows you to tailor the requirements of your organization to the profile that you are creating. Now, some organizations already have a central list or a register to manage their SharePoint locations. If this is the case, you can refer to an existing list. If not, you can create a custom list in your SharePoint environment with appropriate metadata, and you can name that list anything you like. So in this example, we have a project management solution where a site per project is created. Now that can result in a lot of sites for users to navigate to find the right location to save to. So this is how solution profiles can help. In our list, we have some columns that are relevant, such as project status, showing whether the project is active, the project manager, displaying who the manager is, as well as a URL column to link back to that location. Now that this list has been created, we can create some views to refine the information that is presented. In this example, we'd like to deliver a personalized view to users of what projects they might be managing. We'll create a view named Projects I Manage and use the person or group column to refine the items based off the Me filter. Right now, I'm logged in as Sally, who is a senior project manager. When I select the view we just created, I can see just the projects that have been assigned to me. So from Sally's perspective, this is a much more relevant set of information. I can see the specific projects that might need my attention. We now need to deliver this to users in the applications they're familiar with working in, and solution profiles can achieve this. Launching the OnePlace Live client, we can create a new profile named Project Management. As we have just built a list, we want to create a central register, but as you can see, a solution profile can consist of many other items within the same profile. So let's start building our profile. Enter the name of the profile as you want it to appear in Outlook, via OnePlace Mail or OnePlace Docs. Copy the site URL where you just created the central register and enter the name of the list. In this example, we are connecting to a list in SharePoint, but it is possible to also connect to a library and use document sets to refine the locations to an end user. The display column allows us to define how we want to return these items in the navigation tree. Now, this could be useful if you're provisioning sites automatically and want to display a location that is more meaningful to end users. Now we need a way to link back to that location in SharePoint, and this is where the URL column comes in. Select the column that you created earlier. The target location type allows us to determine the type of location we want to return. So in this example, because it's a site per project, we will select a site. And now those views that we built earlier come into play. Here you can select base query on a central register view. And you can see the view that we created earlier in SharePoint, Projects I Manage, is being pulled through here. When we select this, the query is written into the dialog box. And if you like, you can write this yourself. Now that we have created the profile, we need to ensure that it is set to published and save. Jumping back to Outlook, our profile has been published and pushed down to end users. Now as Sally, I can select the project management profile and see projects I manage as well as active projects. Now, as projects become active or inactive and their classification is changed in the central register in SharePoint, these items will be automatically reflected to end users, dynamically delivering the locations they need to effectively and efficiently complete their tasks.